Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to prepare and write internal CSS. So very clearly you learned in previous lecture how we've written inline CSS. So to extending this lecture to learning a new provision and option for internal CSS code preparation. So internal CSS will be prepared, see, inside a head tag. It's an open tag and end tag of, like a closing tag of head tag. Inside we use style, these style tags. So using these style tags, we prepare this internal CSS code. Let's see here by putting style. Yeah, inside the style we will prepare what we've written inline style code. So the same way I'm going to applying this internal to applying of h1 and p. Let's see if we've written, we have learned like this will be called as internal. So I'm removing the internal CSS style. Very clearly you may observe. So now I'm writing internal CSS. If we've written inside the head, so one open and end tag, here if we are applying, will be called as internal CSS. How it would be? Let's see. First save this and reload. So this is correct plain text we have seen. So by writing in style tag, by putting a very simple, if I want to apply body, in earlier by creating of lectures also have shown you to the body. So open and end tag. So background color, I'll take it like a background hyphen color. I'll take it as like a green. See, one body I have written one property with value. So it is implementing is inside like a internal. So in this page of HTML, this body tag is going to be applied for this property with value. Very simply. So let's see, save this and reload the page. Wow, we are getting a green color with this text. Have you observed? So now I'll show you one more property which is h1. For this h1, how I can write here h1 open and end parenthesis. Here I may put like some color property with the value. I may write like maroon. Yes, and let's see, save this and reload the page. Wow, the maroon color is applied here. So if I want to put white, yes, you can put white. Save it, reload the page, white. And what are the advantages by writing this thing? What are the advantages by writing this one? Let's check here. If I am written something like if I am written one more h1 tag here, if I written one more h1 tag, let's see, this is, yeah, this is second h1 tag. So here you may check it. I'm not applied anything see, I'm not applied anything, but it is showing by defaultly in white color. How? See, this h1 tag which is already implemented, we have written the properties, the same is going to be applying here also. How many h1 tags are there? Accordingly it is going to be applying. In inline text, we need to write manually again for another h1 tag. So these are the advantages by writing inline and internal. So internal is advantages are there rather than inline to making single time, one time only at a top as internal code, to applying of the like HTML elements to the same code to be applied. Yes, it's purely apply. So if we want to reuse the same code, yes, we can reuse this code very easily and happily. Alright. So these two differences from internal and like inline you have learned. In the next lecture we learn like external how to apply and how we can call the same file to anywhere in the project also. Alright, I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.